I got HE loaded. He's got like 4K left. I'm like, maybe. And then fucking railguns on him. I'm like, that should finish him off. He went dark and fucking those 4 shells that stuck together like glue fucking blew him up. He was probably not happy.
Okay, all the radars are 10K for them. Or Rico's 10K. We're going to do the AV push with Z. You're pretty much over by the island. That's G7 to the south side.
Okay.
Drunken, I'd like for you to proceed over to C, just a spot. Tipsy.
Spot, Cap, just general kick-ass.
Smoke going from the island there at F4 to the west at your supersonic shimmy speed.
Icon, you could kind of talk to her. Where did you want me to go?
Right over here, the south side of this island, which is our side.
Gotcha.
That way you can shoot here.
Yeah, gotcha.
You need to. With your range, possibly even shoot over to here. I'd like you not to shoot.
I am kind of a pacifist.
If there was only 1 or 2 down at here, Cap and A, then we should be able to kill them and proceed into A.
At least one of the destroyers must have gone there.
I'm thinking the Zao might
Captain
fucking
Ron,
be
you're
on
actually
one of the
headed this way.
edges.
Captain Ron, you're coming this way.
Oops. All right.
That's okay. I didn't say it. So.
That's a double cap speed at A, by the way. There's 2 ships there.
Montana's pushing C.
So you can throw torps right down that C bowling alley, which should be this open area.
Detected.
Down to where the Montana should turn.
I got the
start pushing north from B to A. We want to get up to right about here by the time the storm hits, because all these guys will start coming towards us once you see we're headed for the A cap. So if you're at C, there you go, cap it a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get radared. Yeah, turn.
Go.
Turn. Damn it.
Z, go ahead and start turning and coming back this way.
Copy.
And take a pop shot at that Des Moines if you can.
I did.
Get him good. Roger.
I gotta punish this Zao.
One of their DBs is right about here, so I never did put I guess my typical thing is to have one of our cruisers right here hit his radar.
I can come up that way.
I'll come back that way too.
That's where I screwed up because I didn't tell Ron that.
Oh, I got mine running, so I got that spot covered. There's a gearing.
Yeah, so let's kill the gearing.
They are kiting us big time at A now, I think.
Yeah, so we won't proceed after them so much because we haven't killed anything.
He's outside of mine.
Same.
I don't know where that Des Moines went.
I'll try and hit this Des Moines as he comes out to Cap C.
You guys focus on him?
Yep.
He's hauling ass.
He ain't got nowhere to go.
Oh, he's turning to the island. He's going to beach.
He
He
is
beached.
Beached.
Finish him off.
Torpedoes incoming.
God dang it, game.
Okay.
I can't get him, but I can hit the other one.
Ooh.
That should finish the DM off.
Blap him.
Run, drunken.
Oh, fuck.
One shot on him is at 89 health.
How's that guy not dead yet?
More torps coming in.
There he goes.
He launched his radar just in time.
Oh, them beats, baby.
All right, now I can find the destroyer.
Damn it.
Alright, detected. He's close.
Keep fighting those guys to the north. We got to start concentrating on these guys to the east over here. So
Ron, you got hydro? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's on.
So Z, myself, and the Stalingrad turn to the east.
That Zao is definitely kiting.
I'm in the turn to fight across.
The Des Moines at sea is I banged him up pretty good.
Yeah, I got a couple hits on him, but not as much as I wanted.
I'm detected.
Gearing still got me.
There he
lit.
is.
Alright, we're at 12K now.
Oh shit.
Guys, radar him.
I'm gonna give you a little bump there, Ron.
Careful, Torps.
Yeah, you got
So
one hit
Z-
in the island.
Z, go ahead and
Yeah.
back up, back left, and face off your bow, pretty much in that direction.
Just watch that PR poke. He's gonna poke through the gap.
There you go, keep coming back. And back here on where I'm at, on the backside of this island, is supposed to be where you want to be.
He's over here.
Radar in 20 seconds.
Good job on the cap.
I'm detected. I'm gonna pop radar.
Alright, there's the gearing for you there.
He got me with a torp.
They're all dropping through the south.
Alright, I'm backing up so I can help you with.
Yeah, he's on the other side of the island now.
There's the fucking PR poked up.
As long as he shoots at me and not. See,
Yeah, I was gonna turn and I'm like, no, no, no.
you can go ahead and turn on this side of this island and bow into him.
God, I wish I had launched towards that. Ron, do you want smoke?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, we'll stay on this side, try to get that Puerto Rico if he comes out. Guys, burn that Puerto Rico. We need to get rid of him.
Yeah, he's radaring me.
Gearing's headed for B, so Shima, come on and come back to the B cap.
All right. Coming. I'm flat out detected. The hell? Okay, not anymore.
hitting the PR.
On him.
Zal's coming around. Y'all in the north.
Fuck.
Lost in the ship. Okay.
Yeah, you come out there, Garen. Go ahead.
You got the unique on the Des Moines there, dead one?
Yep.
Yeah. I can tell just watching you accelerate and go forward.
I'm about to go into B.
Okay.
Icon. Might need help.
Alright, I'm turning that way. Trying to get shots on this Des Moines.
Hey, good kill on that Zal. That was a big win. He's straight ahead of me.
Yep. Let's see him. Storm. He's still here, but I think he's.
My radar's on cooldown.
He's hanging in there. Okay, here we go. Alright, just me versus this guy now. I'm gonna lose to him. I can't beat him, Icon.
Who?
The guy I told you to
Oh, I'm sorry. I got Montana and Des Moines.
I died.
Front. I don't know. To the ass.
Pretty much.
Okay, Garen's down finally.
DM shifts south.
Yeah, he's gonna be right on Icon's ass here in a minute.
Yeah, the Citadel or side shots outside.
Dead's coming down. He'll have B, I think.
Oh, come on.
I don't think he's gonna get there in time. He's got a long way to go. Need a kill.
Keep turning, buddy.
He wants all the guns on you, so good chance of freaking hurting him.
Yeah, I think I can get a Citadel right here.
Well, it's
Ah,
beating the
17.
shit out of him.
Yeah.
Ron, you got that guaranteed right.
Yeah, get
Yep.
that Gary.
Yeah. DM should focus, both of them should focus at gearing now.
Yeah, well,
Well, I want to get to Montana before he destroys
There
me,
you go.
because he
Okay.
will.
No, I was just looking at points, Art.
Yeah.
No, I get
Oh
it.
crap!
I hate hearing oh crap.
That's good.
Overturned.
I'll have shots.
Good
Oh,
job. Nice.
Nice.
Go right for Bravo there, Dead, and stay dark.
Roger.
What's left is Al?
DM.
Okay.
Probably Ron might want to go over to help see where Khan is at.
I don't think I'll get in here in time.
I don't know where he is. I don't
We're
know
gonna
if he
win
backed
anyway, as
out.
long as nobody dies. We're so close to winning.
Yeah, or just Khan chills out there and Ron sits in the middle.
I probably should chill.
Oh, he went in 13 anyway, so. Five. 1. That was good.
Oh, sorry about the.
That's
big
right.
bearing.
You did have Montana.